Sam, I'm going to send you this because I've spoke to you previously and about this conversion, and I've used your videos for years. So basically the plug you're looking for your heated seats is this one. Okay, if you get the actual loom, which is what I did out there, you can strip that out, follow the cables down, and what you'll end up with when you get down to the floor in the side here is you have 1, 2, 3 connectors. This is the passenger side, so there's basically one wire running into here, which I repinned, this green wire. Okay, then the other thing to watch for is there's actually a green and black wire that runs into this one as well at the back here. It's on both sides. Basically it's the same on both sides. You have 3 connectors on each side, driver side and passenger side. So the tricky part is the green and black wire actually runs up into this plug, which I've joined here on the back. That there is for the thermistor on each seat. I've took diagrams off other people, and basically there's one wire runs down to one side, and then likewise you have the wires running to the other side. So it's a matter of taking this loom, following it all the way back to the plugs, and it's a bit of a nightmare. And then you can actually just repin. So like I say, repin this, repin one in there, and then up here, up high, this plug is up in here, up high, look for it, and then it's a repin. So you have 3 on one side, 2 on the other, and then with your switches here, everything works in. So I'll send you this, Simon, and I'll also send you my email if you have any other further questions. Pretty much if you get the loom, I trimmed the green and black wire out of the loom separately and just feed it up, so it's not too bad. I'm sure you can have a wee look at it and see if that makes it any easier for you. Okay, mate?